If you're on the hunt for the best treats to keep your pup motivated and well-behaved during training, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best dog treats for training that will make your training sessions both fun and effective. And there's more. We've found incredible discount links for you to take advantage of without leaving home. Let's find out which one is perfect for you. First up, if you're looking for a treat that will get your pup moving and behaving during training sessions, Milk-Bone Original Dog Treats is the perfect choice. These classic treats are made with real bone marrow, offering an irresistible flavor that dogs love. Not only are they delicious, but they also have a crunchy texture that helps clean teeth and promote healthy gums. If you want a reliable and effective reward for your furry friend, Milk-Bone Original is the way to go. With the backing of a trusted brand known for quality and tradition, these treats are ideal for encouraging good behavior and keeping your dog happy and healthy. Of course, if your dog has grain sensitivities, you might need to consider alternatives, but for most dogs, Milk-Bone Original offers a tasty and nutritious option that will make training a breeze. Next on our list is a treat that keeps things exciting and rewarding for your pup, Zuks Mini Naturals Dog Treats. These small, soft treats are crafted with natural ingredients, ensuring that your dog is getting a wholesome snack with every bite. The variety of flavors available means you can switch things up to keep your dog engaged and motivated during training. Plus, their soft texture makes them perfect for quick rewards, just the right size to give your pup a tasty incentive without interrupting the flow of training. While they might be a bit pricier than other options, the quality and health benefits are well worth it. If you're looking for a treat that's as natural and enjoyable as it is effective, Zuks Mini Naturals is the way to go. Your furry friend will love the variety and the healthy boost, making training sessions more fun and rewarding for both of you. Moving on to our third pick, if you're looking for a treat that packs a punch of protein and keeps your active dog fueled during training, Blue Buffalo Wilderness Trail Treats are an excellent choice. These grain-free treats are made with real meat, providing a high-quality protein boost that's perfect for energetic pups. The absence of grains makes them a great option for dogs with dietary restrictions or sensitivities. Plus, the natural ingredients ensure that your dog is getting a wholesome, nutritious snack without any artificial flavors or preservatives. While these treats might be a bit pricier, their quality and benefits are worth every penny. The rich meat flavor might be a bit strong for some pet owners, but your dog will definitely love it. For a high-protein, grain-free treat that supports your dog's active lifestyle, Blue Buffalo Wilderness Trail Treats are a fantastic way to reward and motivate your furry friend. For our fourth pick, if you've got a new puppy who's learning the ropes, Wellness Soft Puppy Bites are an ideal treat to make training sessions more enjoyable. These treats are soft and chewy, making them gentle on your little one's developing teeth. Specially formulated for puppies, they provide the right balance of nutrients to support healthy growth and development. The soft texture is perfect for young mouths, and the treat size is just right for quick rewards, keeping your puppy motivated and engaged. While they're designed specifically for puppies and may not be suitable for older dogs, they offer everything your growing pup needs to thrive. With Wellness Soft Puppy Bites, you can give your puppy a nutritious reward that helps them learn and grow, making training sessions both fun and effective. Last but not least, if you want to keep your puppy's teeth healthy while making training sessions a blast, Greeny's puppy training treats are the perfect choice. These treats are specially designed to promote strong teeth and healthy gums, giving your little one a tasty reward that also supports their oral health. The delicious flavor is sure to keep your puppy eager and excited during training, making it easier to reinforce good behavior. Plus, they're nutritionally balanced to support your pup's overall well-being. While they might be a bit pricier and might seem small for larger breeds, the benefits they offer are well worth it. With Greeny's puppy training treats, you're not just rewarding good behavior, you're also taking a proactive step in caring for your puppy's dental health. So, there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best dog treats for training. Each of these treats has unique benefits to suit different needs and preferences. Make sure to check out the discount links in the description to grab these treats for your pup at a great price. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Thanks for watching and happy training!